lesson, which is the definition and importance of style, design, and measurement and crop making. So the learning objective is by the end of this lesson, learners will be able to first explain the importance of style, design, and measurement in crop making. Second, acknowledge the role of style, design, and measurement in preserving culture and improving the livelihood of artisans. Next is apply accurate measurement and design principle in creating a simple indigenous crops. So lesson 3, we have the style. Style is the distinctive way an artisans create, influenced by culture, tradition, environments, and personal creativity. It gives character to a crop and help distinguish one community work one together. Yun yung style. For example, in this picture, yung banig is originally from the municipality of Basi in Samar province. So banig weaving is a traditional in Basi, Samar, where skilled women use the flexible tico glass to create intricate colorful mats and other home textiles. So, every province mayroon silang may iba-iba silang raw materials na ginagamit. At may iba't ibang raw materials or organic materials silang ginagamit. Like for example, in Banig, in Basi, gumagamit sila ng Ticog glass. Yung iba naman, like Mangyans, gumagamit sila ng rattan. So yun na nga yung sinasabing cultural diversity. Yun yung style. So sa Banig, pwede tayong makagawa ng handbag, backpack, chinelas, or etc. or any crops. So the importance of this style is first is to preserve cultural identity and heritage. Like what I've said earlier, na Banig is originally from Basti Samar, which is um yung culture or yung tradition na ine-implement nila to preserve their cultural identity. Next is reflect the personality and creativity of the artisan. Yung pagiging skillful ng mga um, woman, yung mga pagiging skillful ng mga kababaihan sa paggawa ng banig. Yun, yung personally use their personality and creativity. Like for example, kung yung babae, di ba, wala sa mood, hindi makakagawa or hindi maganda yung output na uh, mapoproduce nila. It's based on their personality and based on their expression, their emotion, and creativity. So make a crop unique compared to mass product items since indigenous crops is organic and the mass products are inorganic like yung mga glossy, hindi naman sila mga eco-friendly. However, yung mga indigenous crops is pag nabulok na sila is pwede silang maging fertilizer. So, attract buyers through distinctive figures kasi may kakaiba silang skills na pinakita sa paggawa ng mga crops. So, next is design. Design is the plan or arrangement or organization of elements like lines, shape, color, texture, space to create a crop that is both beautiful and functional. It is the blueprint that guides the making of a crop. Yun yung design. It is the plan, arrangement on how you arrange the pattern, the different elements, and organize the colors, something like that. So, ano ba yung pinagkaiba ng style sa design? So, like, yung style, it show our or distinctive way of an artisan on how they show their cultural identity. Yon yung yung banig, ginawa nilang mayroon silang ginawang backpack, handbag, pocket, or pitaka, wallet. I think. Yun. Well, the design is, in this style, pwede siyang maging monochrome or simple lang walang na-add na color. Well, in design, meron na siyang na-improve na siya or na-innovate na siya or inadapt na yung modern world natin, which is nag-add na ng mga colors, which is for example yung bag nag um, nag-paint ng ibon or bulaklak or any elements, shapes, nagkaroon na ng mas colorful na bag, which is naging maganda yung output or yung paggagawa ng mga indigenous crops. Yun yung design, adding some elements to make it beautiful, to make it functional and aesthetic. So the importance of this design is to ensure functionality. The craft can be used properly. So noon, yung baong ay ginagamit lalagyan ng mga tawag dito ng mga manok na pangsabog. Ngayon ay pwede na siyang maging bag na lalagyan ng mga mga taos ng mga gamit nila or sa pang-araw-araw na um, araw-araw na gamit. Yon. Another is provide aesthetic value. The craft is visually appealing. Yon, mas lalong because of the design, mas lalong gumaganda, nagiging colorful, naging aesthetic yung bag na made of banig or rattan. Mas nagiging maganda na pag maganda, nagiging mahal. So, pag mahal, meron kang ma-earn na money. So, next is allows innovation by maintaining cultural um, influence. Like, merong pagbabago pero andun pa rin nakatatak yung cultural heritage. Meron lang inad na color, nag-add ng color, nag-add ng shape, pero still made of rattan or banig pa rin yun. Helps crop remain competitive in local and international markets. Yun, yung mga indigenous crops natin is na-export na sa ibang bansa. Mas nakikilala na tayo ng mga foreigners because of our skillful in creating indigenous crops. Next is the measurement. Measurement in crop making refers to the process of determining the size, length, width, thickness, area, or volume of materials used in creating an object. It ensures that each part of the crop is accurate, proportional, and fit with the overall design. Measurements, ito yung pagmi-measure ng mga crops natin para hindi magkamali or mas maging maganda yung output or um, out outcome na ginagawa natin sa crops natin. So the importance of this measurement is provide precision and accuracy in crop production. Kasi pag hindi accurate yung measurement natin sa crop natin, like for example, in making yung mga upuan na gawa sa bamboo, diba? Yung mga ganun. Pag hindi accurate, pwede tayong mag-waste ng mga materials, diba? Mag-waste tayo ng mga materials pag hindi accurate yung measurements natin. At pwede rin magpaulit-ulit tayo kung hindi tama, uulit na naman ang measurements, mga so next important is ensures balance and proportion in the finished products. We have um asymmetric and symmetric balance right. So it will be discussed on the module 3. Mas mapapabrood niyan yung balance and proportion. So next is saves time and materials by reducing mistakes. Yun, masasave natin yung time and also yung mga materials that always make sure na tama yung mga measurements para hindi tayo mag waste ng time and materials. Improves durability and usability of products. Yun. Improve durability, mas lalong tumagal yung pagiging usability of the crops. So that's all for this module. I hope you understand and listen. I hope you learn for this module too. Thank you for listening if you are.